You do again. It's fun. Whee! Way, go, 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 go. Push. Oh, it's okay. Push. Paborito niya. Paborito niyang fun paddle. Oh, watch this. Okay, mommy will watch. Watch this daw. Okay, okay. Show me. Wee. Wee. Careful. You're a strong boy. Who's mommy's strong boy? Good job. Oh. Wee. Sige na. Gosh, you anak na. Come on. How about langgang? Langga. From there, and then splash to here. Come on. It's safe. There's no car, so it's fine. Just keep an eye on the cars. Mommy will keep an eye on the cars. Yeah, on the road. Right. Mommy will keep an eye on the road if there's any vehicles. Come on. Go, 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 go. Whee! And again. Wow. Woo! So much fun. In the rain. What's this? I think it's better when if you ride it, Baba. Ride your bike. Sakay sa bike. Sakay. You had enough? All right. Move forward then. Ayan na. Babalik. Reverse ka, reverse. Oh, sige. Wow! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Amazing! Wow! Wow! Clap, 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 clap! Wow! Very good, Jacob! Yay! Well done. Okay. Okay, do again. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, bless you. First time niya yan na ka-experience mag-bike dito guys sa labas ng bahay. I mean dito sa labas ng compound namin. Sa labas ng gate namin mag-bike. First time niya yan. Uy! Scooter. Oh, ilang beses na siya nakalabas ng bahay ng gate na naka-scooter, pero yung bike ngayon na yan first time. You having lots of fun? Wow, I can see that. Wow. You can splash. You can splash. Yeah, this is Jacob's school. Yes. I know. Because everyone's in holiday. Everyone's resting. Including you. Yeah, you're also in your holiday. Minsan lang enjoy mo yan ng splash laro dyan sa sa tubig kasi minsan ka lang makapaganyan. Hindi ko siya kasi pinapaganyan lagi, guys, no? May minsan lang talaga, no? Kasi para iwas cold, no? Lalo sa panahon ngayon, madali silang magka-cold. Yeah, well, lots of fun. Oh. It's okay, Jake. Right? Yeah. Come on. Whee! This way. This way. You dust this way. Come back here. This way, Jake. Good boy. Okay. Ready, steady, go. Yay! Wow, there he is. Shall we go? Oh, what you want to splash one more? Okay, go. Do it one more, really. One more. Kata. Wala kata sa shop. Come on. Okay, I'm watching. Whee! Wow! But watch out the cars. Oh, come on, it's alright now. It's safe now. Come on. One more time and we're going. Ikot siya. This way. Oh, bless you, anak. Good boy na, big boy na talaga ikaw. Ready, steady. Hello! Hello, Jake! Whee! That's it na. Oh, we're going na to the shop. Huh? You can just go that way. It's okay. It's safe. There's no car. Try one more. Oh, gosh. Hindi na. Enough. You go this bit one way, one time.
No, it's time to go.
Oh, it's time to go then. All right, then let's go. Oh, sakay. Time to go na. Dali. Sige na. Right. Bye-bye, guys. Right. Thanks for watching. Yeah, bye-bye, big paddle. Thanks for watching. It's a fun ni Jacob. Fun time ni Jacob. Bye-bye. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. God bless.